it is possible to actually edit this kind of video in CapCut on the mobile phone on Android. So for example, you've got PictoLab, right? All you can do is come here, then you have to change the image size, right? So that you get some appropriate things. So the height of the video is what? 1080, and what? They say the number is what? 5140, just like that, right? And it is what it is. So if you want, you can actually create a background shape etc of a certain color, yeah, so that at least you'll be able to identify this is it, right? So I've got my special colors, but it's not necessary, but you can do it if you want to. Then I'm gonna come here and export it. PictoLab is free, so you can just grab it and on the go quickly, and it's done. Then in the application, right, the CapCut application, right, I go into the CapCut application, create a new project, go under photos, click this one, HD add, and there we go. We've got a what? A playground of where to actually put our videos etc. So you having actually created a video, right, maybe in a kind of like landscape where etc, right, you can actually grab a footage and put it. For example, I'm gonna look for a footage which I've done in a landscape format, of which I'm gonna choose the ones which I've already done. Then I'm gonna say add, and you see this is the whole footage. It's more like in a YouTube format one. So what you have to do is to click on the video, right? Then you have to stretch it, and you have to hold it with your two fingers and actually what, make it grow so that you fill the space until you show what you want to be shown. Maybe you can actually continue zooming in and hiding that white part of my video, or just remaining like this. Then I can actually delete this if I want, or create a title or anything, or I can just delete, and voila, you have all the things which you have. Now maybe let me just crop it so that we can export it faster. Right, this is the video, and it will be 1080 pixels, right? Yeah. Then I come here where it says export. Maybe if you don't have any, I'm just gonna make it basic. I like using for a 4K. Then I hit export, just like that. Look at this, we're exporting this footage, and voila, we've managed to export it. So now I can go on what, on Instagram, and I'm gonna delete it though. I'm gonna come here, look for my footage, but then I go where it says reel, right? Then select the footage. There we have it. Then after that, I've selected it under reel so that it shows up properly. Maybe write a caption etc, or just post it like so. I'm just gonna wait until it's actually uploaded. And yeah, our video has been uploaded, and as you can see, it's working fine. Nothing is bad. You can click it and view it like this, and it's also showing what on our Instagram profile. So that's where you have to actually choose a cover image so that it shows proper. Yeah, there it is. I hope it was useful for you. Cheers, bye for now.